So let's quickly do some magic. See, let's look at this data. What can we see? One, just tell me what you see. What you see is biological age for an organization. The ages were classified 18 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 40, 51 to 50, and above 50 years. Ah?
So you have more between 31 to 40.
You have more between what?
That's 31 to 40, the highest.
Okay, that's singular one, okay? But if you look at above 50, 100 to 140. Now, what does it tell you about this organization? It's an aging workforce. Simple. But what you just did, I preempted you. What I have just done is to present this data. What I have done is describing the data, what we currently have as it is today. But before you can get here, what do you need to know? You need to know the age of the employees. Then you need to categorize the age. And be able to know millennial. Now, the next thing, let me show you something else. See this. Years of service. How long have they stayed in the business? People that have stayed less than 2 years is just about 45 or thereabouts. Close to those that are between 2 to 5 years. See with them 6 to 10. From here upward. Can you see? This is from the same organization. This data is from the same organization. Can you see the problem? You could see that this and this now. I am looking at more than one data now. One biological age, 1 years of tenure, how long have they stayed in the business? And I can tell you that these are the old school guys. This is an organization that is dying if they don't bring new guys.
Yes. And transfer the knowledge.
Because these are the guys that will be rigid. They will throw spanner. Wheel of progress. This is the way we have been doing it. Okay, if you have something like this in your organization, raise
of course.
What?
Something like this.
Especially when they are bringing in the money. The money is there.
No, but what I mean is that what are you doing? Let's go to the next step. What are you doing? This is another indicator. This one is worse than the first one. This one is worse than the first one. Why is it worse? There are more here. I mean, this is worse than this. You can see. So what as HR professionals, we have described the data that we have an aging workforce. What are we doing?
I'm just thinking, you know how, because in the office you just have this kind of data, but like this is very stuff, so it's really now drilling down and like okay, what one? Honestly, this isn't bad if the elders are open to learn.
Yes,
Because
when you have a younger workforce, you tend to see the high turnover.
the high turnover.
And more.
So what can the organization do with this?
They need to bring in more younger people.
Yes.
They need to start a management training program. And let me tell you what should work the first month, the second month. By the third month, you can make a comment. When it becomes a trend, you can now make a comment. By the beginning, you are presenting it to them as it is. And you are saying currently, as we stand today, any sharp MD or board person will see
pick up on it, yeah.
between the lines.